everybody, this is Tiziano and I'm here at Hitec Commercial Solution with Sean that is going to walk us through their building, because those guys are building awesome systems and then we're using the Cube Autopilot, so I'm all ears to hear what they're up to.
All right, well thank you very much. So what I'd like to show today is the Xeno FX. So it is a fixed wing survey type drone. One of the unique features about this drone is it's a very modular system. So we can incorporate a number of different payloads simply by snapping them in and out of the Xeno FX. So it's just going to pop in and out like that. A drone like this will fly for right about an hour. It's made out of the proprietary Ellipore foam that was developed by Multiplex over the years. Multiplex is a company that is in the Hitec family. So we're able to have them manufacture, design, and mold the foam for us. And it is very durable, it's going to be very light, it will hold its shape, very rigid. It's also easily repaired if something were to happen to it. You can glue it right back together with with regular super glue. But a few unique features I'd like to show you is, for one, you can remove the smart battery. Oops.
Nope, I'm going to get it.
And the airplane will fold in half for easy transport, easy storage. The vertical fins come right off. So this is something unique. It's going to be a survey drone that is very easy to get to where you need to do a survey. And this will fly about an hour at about 400 feet AGL. You could fly an hour-long survey, so you can cover 675 acres approximately. So you can get a lot of data. We've also incorporated our Hitec mission control, mission planning software. So on board is a companion computer that is integrating the metadata to the raw images. So it'll download those to the mission control software right when it lands, and so you have all the images ready for post-processing for surveys.
Immediately?
Immediately, so yeah.
That's amazing,
yep,
that's amazing. You have incorporated everything in such a little room?
Yep, so we got the cube in there, so the board is inside here.
And I suppose this is a custom board?
It is a custom board, yeah. The object is be able to snap into multiple payloads. Say you're doing a simple RGB mission type, so you're just going to snap in. This is the Mapper Survey 3 camera that's just going to go in like that, and you can pull it back out for the next one. So say you want some a spectral type mission, so you're doing crop help, things like that. You're just going to plug that one in too. So very easily to integrate the type of sensor you need. People come to us and say,
even multispectral.
Yep, so this is the Sequoia, so same thing, multispectral type camera. But we've also had where people wanted live video, so we're able to put in live video, done surveillance, things like that. So it's a very versatile, but since it will fly for an hour, we can loiter around and stay in the air and get that information that the people are looking for.
Now, show me a little bit about the ground station that I see here,
yep.
And then I want to know something about that one.
So, this is part of the ground station. We call it Hitec Mission Control. So we want to say we want to do a survey type mission. So you can easily plan a mission, but here's one we already have in there. So draw the survey area. So I just want to draw this right here.
Nice.
Hit next. You can also tell it, well, I want to fly a little bit lower instead of region of interest, or if you want to follow terrain, say, we got some little mountains here, you want to also do follow terrain so it doesn't run into the mountains. Do that. Tell it what type of payload you have, so let's do a sample camera. I want to fly, say, parallel to a road, so I don't cross the road.
Let's say that we have wind crosswind.
Yeah, or a crosswind, exactly. So what we have behind us is the Quantum Systems Trinity. It is a VTOL aircraft. So as it's on the ground, it's going to take off like a helicopter. The props are going to fold up. It's going to take off straight up, and then transition into forward flight. Once it's cruising in forward flight, just the rear propeller is going to be moving, so it's going to be as efficient as possible. That's why you can get an hour flight time out of something like this. This will cover a little bit more area. It's going to fly a little bit faster, but for that type where I need to cover a lot of area, but I still need to land up and down like a multi-rotor, you've got something like the Trinity. It is still made out of the proprietary Multiplex foam. Multiplex is manufacturing this for Quantum Systems, and Multiplex partnered with Quantum Systems to develop the Trinity.
And This, and Lorenzo, you remember we were talking about that 6 years ago, and this is actually the design in front of us.
You know, even though it's a larger drone, it still comes apart pretty easily, so it can be carried in a carry case. The wings come off, obviously. The battery comes out. The tail comes off. The horizontal stabilizer comes off, so it can fold up into a pretty compact box, and you can still get it to those areas that you need to do a mission.
This is just fantastic. Okay, thank you very much, Sean.
Oh, my pleasure. Thank you very much.
And we're gonna see you to the next booth.
Yep, sounds good.